Welcome to today's recording. We invite you to sit back and relax and share a quick bite with DuraSpace. No more than you can chew in a 3-minute broadcast focused on current topics of interest. Today's host will be David Wilcox. Take it away, David.
Catching up with Fedora 4. Open source projects are like any other innovative enterprise. To effectively serve their communities, they must evolve and grow. How do you continue to find new, groundbreaking ways to leverage the strength of open source development while expanding community participation and maintaining high production standards? No problem at all if you happen to be the Fedora repository team. The Fedora team tested a new way of developing features earlier this year that showcases progress while highlighting the need for community participation. A short list of potential priority features led to a community message asking if any stakeholders were willing to commit resources to developing any of the features on the list. Not only developers, but anyone in the community was encouraged to submit use cases, discuss requirements, and test or validate outcomes. Using this method, an audit service became part of the Fedora 4.2.0 release, and support for web access control authorization is currently being developed. Support for the popular asynchronous storage feature and an API extension framework are on the current development shortlist. How can you take advantage of current cross-community best practices and favored features while correctly defining Fedora repository core functionality to support them? The Hydra Islandora Interoperability Initiative will address these issues at 2 key events, Hydra Connect and Islandora Camp Connecticut. Members of the Hydra and Islandora communities will define and plan for interoperability and then begin implementation at a Hackfest day. These efforts could pave the way for greater Fedora adoption by giving institutions the flexibility to run both Hydra and Islandora implementations on top of the same Fedora. This work is also an opportunity to define which functionality belongs at the Fedora level and which belongs higher in the software stack. Now that Fedora 4 is in production, some of the pressure is off of institutions that committed resources to make Fedora 4 a reality. Part of reality, however, is acknowledging that all software needs to be maintained. Bugs and other issues continuously crop up for any software, and Fedora is no different. Although bug fixing is not glamorous, and does not always seem as urgent as the initial effort to build core production software, it is critically important to maintain the production codebase. Working on small, well-defined issues with several ways to participate benefits code maintainers by helping them build software development skills. The Fedora 4 team has a production sprint schedule that anyone can sign up for. Institutions can also commit to making developers available for a flexible number of days during certain months, so the Fedora technical lead can assign tasks and know that they will be completed within a couple weeks.
The DuraSpace organization. DuraSpace works collaboratively with organizations that use DSpace, Fedora, and Vivo to advance the design, development, and sustainability of the project. As a nonprofit, DuraSpace provides business support services that include technical leadership, sustainability planning, fundraising, community development, marketing and communications, collaborations, and strategic partnerships and administration. Thank you for spending a few minutes of your time with us today. Submit a Quickbyte story idea by tweeting @DuraSpace #Quickbyte. See you next time.